Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the best settings for your iPhone camera. So go to the camera section in settings. Here in formats, you're going to select high efficiency instead of most compatible. That's also going to save your battery, by the way. Record video, I like to select this one, but sometimes people like to use the 30 frames per second, or you can use 4K. It is in a high resolution, but I don't think my phone right now can handle it. Go to camera. I think it can, but I just don't have space for it. That's what I meant. Anyways, then you are going to scroll down to the high dynamic range. You're going to turn it off and you're going to enable keep normal photo instead. I have the slow-mo at the 240 FPS here, and I don't change the other settings. So that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!